Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a one brand curly hair review on the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line. Now I have been using this gel for a long time. I'm actually almost out of it, but I've only used it for my buns. And it works really well, but I've never actually used it to style my hair. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I styled my hair using the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line, and I'm going to be giving you my honest reviews on it. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on this line, then just keep on watching. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you always get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Now enough talking, let's jump right in. I see so many people rave about this line specifically, so I'm really excited to try both of these out together and review them for you guys. Since my hair has been struggling with dryness, I'm judging all of my curly hair products specifically off the fact of whether or not they're going to hydrate my curls and make them look better. And for reference, I have 3B hair. My hair is more fine. It used to be like more of a combination of thick and fine, but I'd say like the strands specifically are fine on my hair. My hair isn't like thin, but it's just fine. That's just the best way that I could describe it. So I just got out of the shower. I didn't like fully like cleanse my hair. I just did like a co-wash, and I used the Diva Curl Build Up Buster. If you guys want a full review on other lines of the Not Your Mother's, I've really been excited to try out their natural line. I don't have any shampoo and conditioner from them, but if you guys would like a review on that and like their mousse and stuff, then just let me know and I'd be happy to film that for you guys. But for today, we are just focusing on the defining cream and the gel. I honestly don't know how I lived without like a continuous spray bottle. This thing has made such a difference. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the defining cream. It has a light smell and it's not too thick. Like I've experienced thicker defining creams. So this cream feels really nice and my hair seems to really like it. It's instantly hydrating and smoothing my hair, which is exactly what I want. So if you guys have watched my one brand curly hair reviews before, you guys know that the back of my head, the back top portion of my head is the driest. So that's where I tend to focus most of the product. It's very dry, coarse, and always frizzy, so I tend to focus a lot of product up there. I know a lot of people are like, don't focus the product so close to your root. This is just personally what I like to do, because if I don't, then I will have a frizz halo, and nobody wants that. I'm going to focus this on the ends until everything is nice and smooth. All right, so this is the side that doesn't have anything in it, and this is the side with the cream in it. And we're going to work some more on this side. Okay, now we're going to focus some more on the ends. If you guys want an updated hair growth hacks video, I would be happy to do that for you guys. I haven't done that in like so long, but this time last year I cut my hair and it was like up to my boobs, and now it's, I want to say it's grown like 4 or 5 inches in a year. All right, now I am going to find my part. There we go. I think the problem right now is the fact that I should have done this with my hair sopping wet, but it's honestly too cold outside to do that. All right, now we're going to move on to the sculpting gel. And like I said, I focus this on the top because I don't want my hair to be frizzy. I don't really care that much about volume, so before somebody roasts me in the comments about not putting product on the top of my head like I've gotten a million times, I do not care about volume. I care about definition, and I care about no frizz. I like my hair to be clumped together, perfectly defined, and volume is kind of like a last thing. And then I'm going to also focus this gel on the ends of my hair. Take some gel in my hands, rub it through, and I'm going to scrunch it up. All right, so here is the side with gel, and here is the side with just the cream. Now for the other side. And any other pieces, I'm just kind of going to comb my hair with a Denman brush, and this is just going to evenly distribute everything through my hair. And then for the front piece that frames my hair, I'm going to curl it. Now I am going to dry my hair using my DYSON blow dryer. I know this is pricey, but it does cut down on dry time. I will also list my previous diffuser down in the description box if you guys are looking for more of an affordable option. They're both great. The DYSON is just faster. All right, guys, so here is my hair about 99% dry. I really like it other than my like really dry spot back here. But again, I don't think that that's the product's problem because my ends look very hydrated. They don't look dry at all. They look very defined. This side of my head is very defined, not frizzy at all, but this side of my head, and you guys saw how much product I put here. This side of my head just like does not, it's so dry. There's nothing that you can do to fix it. Yeah, there is, do you see this all back here? I cannot get rid of that no matter what I do. It's so frizzy, and it's way frizzier in person. I feel like it's my hair because everywhere else is super defined. It looks very shiny and hydrated. It's just this freaking back part of my hair that's just so dry. Ugh. And I do know that this Curl Talk Flexible Hold Gel, it's only number 3, so there are 2 highest levels of this, so maybe if you up the levels it would be a little better. I do know that there is a Curl Talk mousse specifically that people rave about, so if you guys want me to do a review on that, maybe I'd have more luck. But honestly, if you don't have like super dry hair and if you don't deal with a crazy amount of frizz, then I would highly recommend this line. My hair feels really soft but defined, manageable, and hydrated, and my ends look amazing. They look very defined. Like I can't really complain. Like this looks great. So if you guys are looking to try Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line, I would highly recommend it, but I'll have to try the higher hold specifically for the back portion of my head because it is very dry and damaged back there at the moment. I do not know why. So I was really impressed with this line, but like I said, if you guys have very dry, damaged, super frizzy hair, you might want to stay away from this. I don't think that it would work the best for you, but overall I think it's a great product, great line. I've been really impressed with everything that I've tried from Not Your Mother's line, and if you guys would like me to try any other Not Your Mother's line or products, then let me know and I'd be happy to review them for you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new video, and let me know what curly products you would like me to review next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.